Hey everyone, it's Dr. Sisson here from Sisson Associates. Today I'm going to do a really quick video on a great little self-massage technique that I give to a lot of different folks. One of the biggest reasons people come to see me with neck or shoulder pain is really just due to a lot of sitting. It could be due to an office job or just a lot of sitting when you get to the house. Or it could be that you're on the road and your profession requires a lot of sitting. So either or, a great little tool that you can use to relax the muscles of the shoulder and to maybe ease up a little bit of shoulder pain will be this exercise right here. So you probably noticed I have a sock and a ball. And believe it or not, this is a great way to get a self-massage. So what you do is you can get a tennis ball. You can go to Family Dollar, get a few there. Get a long sock, put the ball in the sock. And the reason you have the sock is you're going to use the ball to massage the muscles of the back. And when you get it back there, the sock will make it so the ball doesn't slip out and fall on the ground. I kind of learned that from trial and error, so that's just a good way to kind of modify that. But what you want to do is you want to find a nice sturdy wall, okay, that's nice and flat. This one has a few ridges to it, but normally find a nice flat wall. And you're going to go ahead and get the ball here, and you're going to reach around on your neck right here. And right where you can feel those traps right on the side of the neck right there behind the back, you're going to get the ball and put on that muscle. Okay. The next part is you go ahead and find that wall and you scoot back until you get the ball between the wall and the back of your traps, which is again right on top of the shoulder beside the neck, and you simply press into the ball and you kind of push the ball around the back of the shoulder until you find a tender spot. Once you find a tender spot, you know you're on the right position. So once you find the tender spot, I like to tell people to use a scale, 0 to 10. So 0 is you don't feel anything, 10 is hospital pain. You want to get right in the middle of that, so you want to feel a 5, and if you don't, you press a little bit harder. If it's too much, you ease up a little bit with that pressure, and you hold it. You can hold it upwards of 30 seconds to 60 seconds, and you don't want to do much more than that because you can overdo it and make the muscles angry and have the opposite effect. So you go ahead and find that tender spot, you hold it for about 30 to 60 seconds at a 5 out of 10 pain, and you go ahead and just repeat this. You can repeat this every 2 hours, which is about 4 to 5 times a day. And that's a great way, if you're sitting a lot, to get you out of the seated position and do some specialized soft tissue work. And the great thing about it is your body will tell you where the tender spots are. You'll feel it. So it's very hard to mess this exercise up, only if you overdo it and put too much pressure or do it for too long. But try that out, especially if you sit a lot throughout the day, and see if that can help loosen the neck and make you feel a little bit better. Thanks, guys. Talk to you soon.